we are going to make a circuit design with a photoresistor and DC motor. Now first I will explain what is photoresistor. Let me take the photoresistor. So a photoresistor looks photoresistor is basically like this. Photoresistor looks something like this, and it is basically a sensor which senses sunlight. If it gets less sunlight, so it will work slow, and if it will get more sunlight, it will work fast. So now for every circuit we need a power source. So for this circuit we will take a battery, a 9-volt battery. We'll just rotate it, and at the last we need a DC motor. A DC motor is a type of motor. This is a DC motor, and the yellow part which you are seeing, this rotates when it gets the power. Now we will connect these all so that the circuit can work. So when I hover over this point, as you can see, when I put my mouse on this, it shows positive. That means the red part is positive. And when I hover over this black part, it shows negative. That means this part is negative. And these are the two terminals, terminal 1 and terminal 2 of the photoresistor. As you can see, terminal 1, terminal 2. In the creation of circuit, always remember that the red wire is always positive and black is always negative. So now we will take red wire. We can change the color wire color from here, and we will connect the photoresistor with the battery first. So when I left click on this and take it to here, this creates a wire, and the photoresistor is connected from the battery. Now we will connect the second terminal of the photoresistor to the DC motor, so that the power goes from the battery to the DC motor. So we will do like this, and as you can see that it is connected. That means the power will now go from the battery to the photoresistor, and from there to the DC motor. Now we have to connect the negative terminals. As you can see that the two black points are remaining. One is this and one is this. So we have to connect these both, and remember that the negative wire is always black. So we will take black and we will just connect like this and like this. So as you can see that our circuit is completed as the wires are connected to each other. First, let me tell you the daily usage of this. As we all know that nowadays electric cars are coming. So this circuit design can be very useful in electric cars, as the photoresistor can capture the sunlight, and then it can convert it can use the sunlight to power the cars from the DC motor. So this can be very useful in electric cars which are coming nowadays, which use solar energy. Now we will start the simulation to check that is our circuit working or not. We will start the simulation from here, and as you can see that it is working. As you can see that this yellow point is rotating at a speed of 6 RPM. If you can see 6 RPM. RPM means rotations per minute. Now we will just, as you can see that when I click on this photoresistor, a slider comes, and when I will pull this slider towards the sun, it will get more sunlight and the DC motor will work fast. Earlier it was 6 RPM and now it is 1973 RPM, which is very fast. So by this we can say that our circuit is working properly.